What's going on everyone, welcome to the Data Studios. Today we're gonna be show you how to create an Gmail accounts. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. First of all, in your mobile you need to find out settings option. If you find it, then click it. Then in your settings option you need to find another one option, that accounts and sync. If you find it, then again click it. Then you need to find out an option, add account. If you find it, then again click it. Then you see there have a more option to create an account for Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp and so on. But you need to make a Gmail account, right? So find the Google option and click it. Then you have to wait for a few seconds for the next page. Here the next page you see create account. If you click the create account, you will see two options. If you use your account for entertainment, then the first option is for you, just like watch different kind of videos from YouTube, simply for a normal users. But if you want to use your Gmail account for managing your business, then the second option is for you. So I will choose the first option. But first of all, I'm gonna be show you the second way how to find out this page again easily. So go to your home page and find out two apps, Play Store or Gmail. I'm choosing the Play Store and you will see like this page. Then you need to click in your profile, then click add another account option. Click it. Then you will see the page again that you saw a few seconds ago. Here the page again, click create account option again, and I have told you guys which option is for home. So I'm clicking the first option and click the next. Here you see this page to enter your first and last name. So I'm entering the name on my mind and click the next option. The next page you see to select your birthday date and gender. After finishing the selection, click the next option. And the next page you need to decide your username of your Gmail. But if your username is already taken, then you can try to enter different kind of number. If it's not available to, you can select from their available option. So I selected one which is available and click the next. Then the most important thing, you have to create a strong password. After creating the password, click the next. After the page is an optional. If you want, you can add your number in your Gmail account, or if you don't want, then you can skip it. Here we are in the final round. You can review your Gmail account information and click the next. After privacy and terms page, click I agree option. Then it will take few minutes for loading the next page. So guys, here we are, your Gmail is ready. Now you can use that on YouTube, Gmail to get mail or send mail, or you can use Play Store to install any apps in your mobile. Here is my Gmail ID. You saw how I created that Gmail ID. Now you can create as many Gmail ID as you want. After that, clicking the arrow option, you can change your Gmail ID and you can use your Gmail ID which you want. That is my old Gmail ID. Now I'm gonna using that new Gmail ID which I created a few minutes ago. So that's it guys, that's how you can create a new Gmail ID. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to watch video like this, then must be subscribed to get update from our channel and show us your love by sharing our videos. You can also ask questions, suggestions or doubt. We will reply each and every comment you leave. See you guys on the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching Data Studios videos the way you want. Tada!